what if I say I made this entire cool animation with this 1 minute and with the help of just one single prompt? That's all you need with this new AI tool that helps you generate different kind of video, proper situation. I'll guide you proper tutorial how to do this in just one video, all you need. I'm Aditya and you're watching Skill Curve. So let's see how you can do this entire thing. First, you have to go to opal.google. This is one of those places where you will learn how to do this. So you can see right now on proper screen, there's so many nodes connected. And now I know it may be sounding a little bit confusing, vague. I'll help you, I'll build you from scratch. So let's stay here. So you can see right now, this is the proper phrase by opal.google, build, edit, and share mini apps using natural language. Here, you can see scroll down, there's so many mini apps, but we're just gonna ignore them and click on create new app. Once you click on create new app, you can see there's a very interesting structure. On the right side, you can see there's artifacts, output. On the left side, you can see this prompt and proper phrase, where you can just, paste your notes, connect them, and make proper generation. So how we can do it? Simply just click on this prompt option, and you don't need to use this. Okay, so this prompt option, input option is pretty much useless. We will use basically manually nodes, which will be much better and much better output in the workflow. For output workflow, we will go to simply ChatGPT. Here you can see there are multiple ways. I said, for Opal Google, we have to generate a proper workflow. Give me a proper prompt to generate proper 3D Pixar level animation with just single prompt, and it got so many node prompts. So let's just connect it one by one so you don't get bored. Here you can see on the top side, you can see a proper user input button. Once you click here, you have to do nothing. Just simply click on again a generate button. Once you click on generate button, you can just connect one input user to the generate node, and these both nodes are connected. And you can see right now, this is almost looking like an N8N workflow, but it's just much easier and also by Google, so it's much more safe. Now, once we got our scene breakdown node, we click on generate button. We got another node. We will connect this one with another one. Once we got connected it here, we will simply just zoom out. Okay, so we'll just connect this another node with another one. Here this time we need a proper prompts and settings how to do this. So you got this from ChatGPT. I already told you how to do this. Simply go to this new tool. Here you just click on a user input and simply just paste it. You're an expert storyboard artist for animated children movies. Your job is to convert the user scene into structured storyboard. So this prompt, this node will help to generate a proper screen, proper workflow, proper shot, proper JSON prompt. And that's why it's pretty important. Now another node is for making proper visual prompt generation. You'll simply just have to copy this tool and go to this generate another node one, and here just copy this entire prompt. If you want to rename it, you can also rename it, for example, visual prompt generator node. And I'll just rename it here. And this one has an interesting workflow. So what it does is, you're an expert prompt engineer for cinematic animated film. Your task is to convert storyboard shots into detailed image generation prompt for high quality 3D animated kits and style requirements. So this is a proper detailed prompt by ChatGPT. If you would be a human, I would doubt you can generate such high quality prompt engineering stuff. That's why I say just go to ChatGPT. It will generate a proper example, proper instruction. If you don't get them, you could just simply go to description. I have give you proper app link, so you don't have to worry about that. Now we have another node generated. Click on another node. We need our third node, which is important because this one we will use it for image generation. Once we connected it here, we will go simply to ChatGPT again. This is our third node, which is image generation node, and you can simply just click on this prompt. So the prompt is pretty small. Generate high quality images using prompt from the previous steps. Requirements to generate exactly one image per prompt. Maintain consistent character appearance and use a colorful cinematic 3D kit and movie style. And important, generate exactly one image per prompt, because this is important to make workflow more optimal. And once you click here, you can just simply paste this prompt by ChatGPT, and here instead of agent you have to select Nano Banana Pro, because this is important to generate high quality image. You can select Nano Banana 1, but Pro is just better with the proper parameters. And we will just select them here to make them properly move from right to left. And our final node will be proper video generation. We will just connect it from the image node, and you have to be very careful about connecting them. Okay, so this is our proper video generation node where we have to see this prompt, create a short animated video using generated image. So this is just using the same image as a reference. That's why I'm saying the quality is way better than just direct text to image, because that time we get hallucination more. Instruction is clear. You can see just each generated image becomes a short animated clip. Animate the subtle motions such as camera movement, character motion, environment motion, wind particles. Keep the animation smooth and cinematic. Combine all the clips into single animated sequence, and I think that's more than enough. We'll just simply copy it here and go to this again, opal. Here click on this last node and just simply paste this entire command. In the agent function, be sure to select VO, because VO is the model that is used by this proper entire video generation process. Otherwise it kind of sucks. Okay, so we have the entire workflow ready in just few seconds. I told you I will teach you how to generate them from scratch. So our workflow is ready. Now what we need to do is simple. Just click on the start button and just give your proper first prompt, and you're more than ready. Okay, so I have this interesting prompt by ChatGPT. So it's a create a vibrant adventure scene in a colorful animated world. The character exploring a whimsical environment filled with oversized objects, bright places. So this is a very proper, average typical children. So, and just simply copy it here, and I'll just simply just say, click here and just proper the prompt. And now let's see, it will take some time. The proper workflow takes 1 to 2 minutes to load the images generation, and after that we get one of the best high quality animation without now proper consistency.
Wow, look at the stars! Amazing! What is this? Is this place?
You can see the first video is very good. This proper, animated furry cartoon with blue hair is now, wandering here, there, and exploring the grass field with proper flowers. And this is what I'm talking about. This is seriously good. The proper, it's as high quality as Disney Pixar movie. And sometimes even I'm forgetting that we generated it just a minute ago. Okay, we'll test it from different prompt. Don't worry about that. Another interesting scene we have is emotional moment scene of a proper character experiencing thought or emotional process. Here I will focusing more on animated kiss style, on the facial tone expression to see how this thing works. I'll just simply copy this prompt again and go to this opal and just simply watch this video again. Gosh, this is seriously good. Okay, you can see this puppy with proper butterflies. Eyes are so shiny. They are watching a sky with full of stars, and they're also having smog or kind of wintry scene. And this is what I'm talking about. Such high quality scenes will not be available to you without the help of this high quality app, and this consistency we have here will never be the same. Another interesting prompt we are forgetting is that comedic scene where this cartoon character, in an exaggerated way, having a bouncy movement, with bright full 3D animation. So I try to make this, on a style of Ice Age proper, and look at this, how this works out. Okay, I'm generally very impressed by the situation. There's so many colorful, candies, proper cupcake. And now let's see final scene, which is an action scene. I try to make the fox, chase and jump to a proper bee, and let's see how this works out. Alright, the chasing scene is generally very interesting, the way all the backgrounds are moving without hallucination, and the sunset scene is generally so good. So now I teach you how to create such high quality animation for kids. So if you want to make it upload a YouTube channel, you can grow it to millions, because kids love this quality of animation. And now you can make it with the help of this opal. If you want to work on this flow and stuff, and want to do some edit stuff, you want to play with it, just see the link is in the description. Everything is there. If you like this video, just simply click on like button, share it, and for more such cutting edge tutorial, latest technologies videos every day, just subscribe the channel.